Best pressure washer hose depends on your pressure washer, cleaning needs, and budget. The UberFlex kink-resistant pressure washer hose earns our best overall recommendation thanks to its premium flexibility, American-made quality, and outstanding kink resistance. If you need the highest pressure capability, the PWACC's 3600 PSI hose is an excellent heavy-duty option. Buyers looking for the best value should consider the Yamamatic upgraded flexible hose, which includes quick connect adapters and broad compatibility at a competitive price. Product number 1. UberFlex kink-resistant pressure washer hose 1/4 3100 PSI 50 feet. The UberFlex kink-resistant pressure washer hose is widely regarded as one of the best replacement hoses for homeowners and professionals alike. Manufactured in the USA, this premium 50-foot hose is engineered with advanced polyurethane technology that remains highly flexible even in cold weather, making it far easier to maneuver than traditional rubber hoses. Rated for 3100 PSI, the hose is ideal for residential pressure washers used for cleaning vehicles, driveways, decks, fences, patios, and siding. Its exceptional kink resistance minimizes interruptions, allowing continuous water flow without constantly stopping to untangle the hose. The included dual 22mm fittings ensure compatibility with many popular pressure washer brands, and installation is quick and straightforward. The lightweight design also makes storage significantly easier after each use. For users looking for outstanding flexibility, durability, and long-term reliability, the UberFlex hose is an excellent investment. Product number 2. FlexZilla Pressure Washer Replacement Hose, 1/4 inch by 50 feet, 3100 PSI. The FlexZilla Pressure Washer Replacement Hose is known for its impressive flexibility and rugged construction. Designed to stay pliable in a wide range of temperatures, it resists coiling and memory, making it easy to unroll, maneuver, and rewind after use. With a 3100 PSI working pressure, it easily handles most residential pressure washing applications, including vehicle detailing, concrete cleaning, patio maintenance, and outdoor furniture washing. The abrasion-resistant outer cover protects against wear while extending the hose's lifespan. Its lightweight construction reduces user fatigue during long cleaning sessions, while the reinforced design maintains excellent water flow under pressure. For homeowners seeking a dependable replacement hose that's easy to manage, FlexZilla delivers premium quality at a competitive price. Product number 3. Yamamatic Pressure Washer Hose 50 feet by 1/4 inch 3200 PSI. The Yamamatic 50-foot pressure washer hose is an excellent upgrade for users seeking higher pressure capability without spending a premium price. Rated for 3200 PSI, it comfortably supports most residential electric and gas-powered pressure washers. Its upgraded kink-resistant design minimizes frustrating tangles while maintaining flexibility during operation. The reinforced construction provides excellent durability for routine cleaning tasks around the home. Universal M22 fittings ensure compatibility with many leading pressure washer brands, making installation quick and hassle-free. The smooth exterior also slides easily around corners and obstacles without excessive friction. For homeowners wanting an affordable replacement hose with dependable performance and solid durability, Yamamatic offers outstanding overall value. Product number 4. PWACS Pressure Washer Hose 3600 PSI Kink-Resistant Extension Hose. The PWACS pressure washer hose stands out with its impressive 3600 PSI pressure rating, making it suitable for demanding residential cleaning jobs and many commercial applications. Its durable construction resists abrasion, weather, and repeated bending during heavy-duty use. At 50 feet long, it provides excellent reach for washing large driveways, siding, decks, fences, and recreational vehicles without constantly moving the pressure washer. The universal M22 fittings ensure compatibility with many electric and gas pressure washer models. Its flexible construction significantly reduces kinking while maintaining consistent water flow. For users seeking higher pressure capacity and reliable long-term durability, the PWACS hose is an excellent choice. Product number 5. Yamamatic Pressure Washer Hose 25 feet by 1/4 inch, 3200 PSI. The Yamamatic 25-foot pressure washer hose is an excellent OEM replacement for Ryobi and many other compatible pressure washers. Its compact 25-foot length makes it particularly suitable for smaller patios, vehicles, outdoor furniture, and garage cleaning. Rated at 3200 PSI, it provides reliable performance while maintaining impressive flexibility. The upgraded brass M22-14mm fittings resist corrosion and ensure secure, leak-free connections during operation. Its lightweight construction makes handling and storage incredibly convenient, especially for users with limited garage space. Despite its shorter length, it still delivers excellent durability for routine residential cleaning. For homeowners needing a compact, affordable replacement hose, this Yamatic model is a smart choice. Product number 6. Yamatic Upgraded Flexible Pressure Washer Hose 50 feet, 1/4 inch, 3200 PSI. The Yamatic Upgraded Flexible Pressure Washer Hose combines flexibility, compatibility, and convenience in one complete package. Rated for 3200 PSI, it supports most household pressure washers while delivering dependable cleaning performance. Unlike many competitors, this package includes both M22-14mm and 3/8-inch quick connect adapters, providing greater compatibility with numerous pressure washer brands without requiring separate accessory purchases. The upgraded flexible material significantly reduces hose memory and kinking, making operation much smoother. Its durable construction also resists abrasion and weather exposure for longer service life. For users wanting maximum compatibility and easy installation, this upgraded Yamatic hose is one of the best overall values available.